Alright, so this is the last video of the alphabetical series of questions that I'm solving of PYQs. Anyways, now this is from 2023's paper. This question, it was easy as compared to the paper. Like in the paper there are very difficult questions, but this one was damn simple in comparison to those. So again, it's the same logic that we applied in the previous questions. Count the number of alphabets, it comes out 20. Try with 5. Here I couldn't see as such pattern, like as I mentioned earlier, that it's going to be A B C D E, like A B C A B C A B C. This doesn't follow the pattern. But if you observe clearly, if you observe, this is also forming a pattern like this. When I saw this repeating, that's when I thought, okay, maybe this is what needs to be repeated, and because of this I try to find this. Alright, I just apply this. First I wrote this one and then these other groups, and then it was a easy case. Alright, so observational skills needs to be good, and I know maybe in the paper sometimes you don't, in panic we won't be able to figure out, or we tend to ignore these things, or we tend to ignore to observe these things. But it's important to keep yourself calm, because these kind of questions, easy 2.5 marks, very easy 2.5 marks. Now this is a relatively hard question. It would be a relatively hard question, but I would consider this as a medium level to easy. Now why easy here? Because as you can see, in 2022 the same kind of question was asked. Now if you have done your PYQs properly, you'll be easily able to solve this question. Easy, 2.5 marks, easy. Now it's a little different, I agree with people, like, but you need to write this is different. So there it starts from 1, here it starts with 2, and then you need to figure out that you need to make sure that you keep -1 here, so that it doesn't cascade into the 1, because the formula here n into n plus 1 by 2 is when the numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, like this, right? So you need to keep this in mind, and you need to subtract 1. Other than that, okay, so now let me take you through how I solved this question. First, pretty simple. It's starting with 2, it'll end with 27. So it's asking the middle term of the sequence. So we need to find the middle term, right? For that we need to know the total number of terms. So total number of terms will be n is 27. So the total number of terms will be 378. N is 27. Why? Because the total alphabets series is A to C, so C to A in this case. Now here it will be 27. Why? Because it's starting with 2. If it would have started with 1, then I would have taken 26, but it's starting with 2, so I have to take 27. And one thing that you need to keep in mind is, even though it's 2 here, it's in the second position, but if you consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's in the 5th position, and this addition is giving us 5. Alright, so then I found n is 27 because it'll end with A here, so the answer is 378. But mind you, this is for 1, starting with 1, but this is not starting with 1, it's starting with 2. So when I tried to confirm this, then I got to know that when I'm taking n as 3, I'm getting 6. So I need to subtract 1 to find the correct answer, which is 5. So with this, I got to know that I need to subtract. I tried with another one, so I got it. So I got that I need to subtract with -1, and henceforth I did it over here. 378 minus 1, 377. Then by 2 is essentially, since it's an odd number, we need to add 1 and divide it by 2. So that's 189. 189 is basically taking n as 19. That gives you 189. Exactly 189. So nth term, 19th term will give us. Beyond that, if you go, then it's going to be different. Now we need to make sure that we get only 19th. So if we consider it from here, another thing to mind is that it's starting with 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then if you keep adding, then it'll come to here's I as 19th. Like some of the coaching institutes have given H as the answer, but according to me, according to my logic, I think it's I. And like I've seen other people also solve this question, and then even they told that it's I. So I think it's I itself. But this is pretty much it. Okay, yeah. This was the sequence, and from alphabetical and numerical. A couple of things to keep in mind in the sequence is the word sequence or series needs to be present to form a pattern. Basically the 2023 prime number question. Remember few patterns like squares, cubes, prime number. Then formulas such as n into n plus 1 by 2. This is for 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then for 1 square plus 2 square plus that formula is, wait a second, n into n plus 1 that formula. Okay, and I'm unable to recall it at the moment, but yeah, 1 plus, then there's 1 cube plus 2 cube, there's 3 cube. That's pretty much it. These you need to solve it over there itself. You can solve a few other questions if there are in your coaching institutes, or the CSET questions that you solve from different papers. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, keep solving. I will be posting few more videos either every day or every other day, every alternate days, and solve like good amount of questions. Today, for example, I have solved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 questions is not bad for one day. All the prelims is approaching, so we need to like get up. So what I'm trying to follow is I'll do PYQs and then I'll do 2023's paper, so that I can see what pattern they're forming. Anyways, yeah, if you like the videos, then stick around for a few more, and that's it.